So for this problem, notice that, again, we want to make sure that we start this in standard form. And here it's already in standard form. So your dividend's okay, because take the divisor, put it out there, and start our division process. So we have x minus 3. We're going to divide that into x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 32. So again, we just want to focus solely on this first term, this x in the front. I want to see how many times will x go into x cubed, or what do I need to multiply x by to make it an x cubed? That's going to be a x squared. And so I'm going to multiply both these terms by that x squared. So I'll go x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times a negative 3 is a negative 3x squared. So we'll do this, and we'll subtract here again. So it really just flips the sign. So I'll circle my sign changes. This becomes a minus. This becomes a plus. These cancel. And I'm left with negative 2x squared plus 3x squared is just a positive x squared. And I'll bring these down. And again, I start my process. How many times will this x go into x squared? Or what times x gives me x squared? That's going to be a positive x. Start your multiplication again. X times x squared. X times negative 3, negative 3x. And again, we want to change our sign. So this is a minus. That's a plus. These are going to cancel. Negative 11x plus 3x is a negative 8x. Bring this down. Plus 32. So how many times will x go into a negative 8x? That'll be a negative 8. Negative 8 times x, negative 8x. Negative 8 times a negative 3, a positive 24. And again, I'm going to go through, change these signs. That's a plus. That's a minus. 32 minus 24, that'll be equal to a positive 8. Again, you can't make an x go into that. So this is my remainder. We write the quotient, which is x squared plus x minus 8 plus the remainder, which is positive 8, over the dividend, which is x minus 3.